My first go at wiring up my 12-volt solar camper van electrics. Looks a bit of a mess at the moment. I just got to tidy up the connectors, but I just wanted to see if I can make my fan and LED lights work. So what I've done, I've obviously rigged up the switch panel. What I'll do now, I'll throw the breaker on, solar lights on. Let's have some life. It is alive. So I got turn those three off. I got my LED fan. Turn that one off. Turn them both on. The light on means it's off. So I turn it on. I'm going up to my LED light. Oh no, it's not. It's the other way around. Oh, yes it is. Hang on a minute. What's that? Ah, I got it wrong. Here we go. Oh no, wrong one. That's the lights. The lights is the first button. On, off. LED lights. Second button is the fan. There we go. That is air in. No, it's not. It's air out. This is air in. Next thing I'm going to do is wire up a separate switch so I can turn this panel off. So when I'm not using it, instead of just throwing the breaker all the time, I can just wire up a separate rocker switch on the back here and go from there. Easy peasy.